Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure connectivity and credentials are ready. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network so downloads and syncs won't fail. Once done, open the Play Store app and tap your profile icon in the top right. This directs you to account controls where you add or switch accounts. If you already use two-factor authentication, have that device nearby. It speeds verification. These initial steps set the stage, so the account link proceeds smoothly without interruptions. Now you add or switch the Google account used by Play Store. Tap Add another account and select Google. This triggers the Google sign-in flow where you enter your email and password. Make sure to complete two-factor prompts or recovery verifications when requested, because the Play Store blocks incomplete authentication. After signing in, approve the permissions Play Store asks for. These control app sync and payment linking. Once approved, the account will appear in the profile menu and begins syncing app data automatically. Finish by selecting the new account from the profile menu so Play Store uses it for downloads and purchases. Make sure to open payments and subscriptions to confirm or add payment methods if you plan to buy apps. This avoids checkout errors. Sync may take a few minutes. If apps or purchases do not appear, clear the Play Store cache, force stop the app, then re-add the account. That often resolves authentication or sync glitches and gets everything working quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.